Hi, this is Shai at Absolute Toner. I'm here in our showroom, Concord showroom. See, there's a lot of equipment, and we're in the process of refurbishing one of the Mimaki, and I wanted to show it to you to see how does the machine look like in the process. This is some new product we received at GCC Jaguar. We have the UV Mimaki, some refurbished Mimaki new head, some new very nice laminator that just came in, white ink Roland VG, and now I will show you the machine in progress.